What is up, everybody? My name is Thomas with TMWYT. Welcome back to this channel. Today we are back at my house. We got the Golf R behind me in the garage, and I have some very special things for you guys today. This is all for you guys, all for my channel viewers. We have some very good camera goodies, camera upgrades, channel upgrades. We're gonna get right into it here. Looks like we've got some boxes from Amazon. Oh. Alright guys, as you can see, we got a few minor upgrades. The big one being the Mavic Air 2 and the DJI Ronin SC. That is the drone, and that is the gimbal that I'm going to be now using on the channel. And then another big one is no more pancake lens for Thomas. We're going to go toss the new Sigma 16, well, new to me, Sigma 16mm f1.4 so gorgeous. All right, let's throw everything on, huh? All right, guys, I have everything all set up, and this is after an amazing weekend of shooting with all my brand new equipment that I just unboxed. I'm super excited to share everything with you. Everything works amazing, and I love it so much more than what I was using before. And I'm just so happy I was able to upgrade all this stuff just to get more quality content out to you guys. I'm really hyped on everything. Everything worked awesome. The drone all set up, the gimbal, and then we got batteries for the drone. Just really loving the new setup. I got some really awesome footage to share with you guys. Just some test footage to show you what my new setup can do. After this weekend, there's no better way to show off my new stuff than to film a one-of-one McLaren Senna here in Utah. So please enjoy this footage using my new equipment and enjoy this first look at my feature on the Master of Monaco McLaren Senna.
Down to my core, ooh, I fall apart. Down to my core, ooh, didn't know before. Surprised when you call me off guard. Hardest damn jewelry I bought. You was my shorty, I thought.
Alright guys, I just finished editing that little feature showing off all my new equipment, and I will be dropping that as a separate video. So if you watched until this point, you got a little special feature of Post Malone's Master of Monaco McLaren Senna XP. Just an amazing opportunity to be able to shoot that car. That car is, it was the exposed carbon. I don't, just watch the video again. But I hope you guys really enjoy all the improvements to the channel. This was just kind of a first little rundown, my first kind of little actual edit of automotive feature, and they will surely get better here in the future. All the new equipment I have picked up will definitely help. I hope that it makes the content more enjoyable to watch for you guys, because that's what's most important to me, is keeping quality content coming out to my viewers and subscribers. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, and if you like all the new improvements, please leave a like down below. But make sure to check out all my other content if you enjoyed. That is all for today, guys. I will catch you in the next one.